Okay, hello everybody. I am Deepti Saxena, and thank you very much for coming here. It's great pleasure to have you all here, and we are very delighted to see you all with same passion and same hobby sitting in one room. So it's good to see.
My name is Vijay. So I write tech and I run a website called tech.inc, primarily focusing into the consumer tech as well as the IoT and other stuff. That's pretty much about me.
And I mainly write on startups, marketing, technology, do some reviews as well. And yeah, fun fact is that I met my wife because of my blog. So my marriage happened because of the blog. So that is one good thing that happened. And
really create value around utility apps beyond the basic utility. So one thing that you would always notice is that when you're using your phone, most of the time that you are using your phone and you're doing something on it, you have the keyboard open. So if you look at all the other apps that exist, which is the one app that is there occupying 50% of the screen at all points of time? And obviously the answer comes to the keyboard. Really think about it. Most of the time, what happens when you talk to somebody is you talk to somebody over WhatsApp, and you make plans and you make decisions. But what happens on mobile, which is the nature of mobile, is that you can never actually get to the end point of making a decision without hopping across multiple apps. And how can we solve that with a keyboard? So that's what Explorer is about. So if you kind of notice the screen, as soon as I mentioned lunch, there was a discovery that was shown up.
Basically, we have our own taxonomy, which talks about different topics, like food is one thing, travel is another thing. Talking about buying some shoes or shirts, that's another category that we have. So there are a bunch of categories. We have close to 600 categories, and we are working with different partners in populating all those categories so that the relevant discoveries are served to the user. App also, we initially started with word predictions. So that's what we were that was what we are good at, and we started becoming really good at it. Then we moved towards phrase predictions. So then we were trying to identify phrases. So when the user is typing, instead of just typing, identifying the next word, we started identifying the next phrase that he is going to type. So user anonymity is still maintained. So we don't map into any user.